I've never done this before, but it's my birthday this month and I am feeling very generous. I am giving you the opportunity to join the Wicked Healthy Tribe, my online membership for women who are wanting to learn how to fast, to manage their weight, to improve their moods, to increase energy, to learn how to sleep better, for only $97 for 6 months. Annually, it costs $269 to join, so it is a whopping saving. Why now? Because I want you to go into the summer holidays and I want you to come out in January feeling incredible. I don't want you to hit January and have to start over again. But it's only available for 24 hours and finishes on Wednesday, the 17th of December at 8:30. So you don't want to miss it. I want you to spend the next 6 months on you. Yes, it's a very busy time now, but you're going to have time over the holidays. And I want you to gain that confidence, the clarity, and the know-how on how to fast like a girl for your age and stage of life, so that you're getting that weight loss, so that you're balancing your hormones and you are feeling so much more confident in your own skin. To kickstart your journey, I'm running a Start Strong, Stay Strong Summer Survival workshop that you will get the tools and the resources on how to enjoy the holidays, but so you don't lose yourself. And if you can't join us live, there will be a recording. Jo was absolutely gobsmacked about how easy it was to give up sugar, given she was addicted. She came into the membership. She had no motivation, she had no energy, she was feeling slightly depressed, and just had no idea how to eat to fuel herself. Within 4 weeks, she'd lost 5 kgs, completely changed her whole way of eating, was thriving with energy, and her skin was absolutely glowing. Wendy had been fasting, but she wasn't getting the results because when she was in her eating window, she totally boomeranged back into food, so she wasn't losing weight. When she came into the membership, everything clicked. She understood how to fast specifically for her age and stage of life. She learned how to eat really nutritiously and balanced so that it stabilized her blood sugars. She lost 7 kgs. Her energy is through the roof. She's at her ideal body weight. And she now has so much confidence around her food. And food does no longer control her. She has complete freedom. That's what I want for you. Wendy said it was the group fasts, the community, the ability to ask questions, all the modules that are in simple, easy to follow formats that has been the absolute game changer for you. So come and join us. Bet on yourself. Give yourself the gift for only $97 for 6 months and see what is possible. Fasting is a phenomenal tool, but actually works when you're given the right environment, you're given the right tools, you're given the community where women are all doing it together. Come and join us. The details are below this video.